How to see who has watched your story on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see who has watched your story on Snapchat. Start by opening your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you're in the Snapchat application, navigate to your profile. Now scroll down until you see the My Story section. Tap on the My Story section to view your story. Tap on the eye icon, and a list will pop up showing the names of the people who have viewed your story. If you want to further manage your story settings, tap on the three horizontal dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, tap on Story Settings. Here, you can customize various aspects of your story, such as who can view it. To see the number of people who viewed your story, you can also look for the eye icon next to your story. This will give you a quick overview of the total number of viewers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.